Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Hi, it's me again, Cikgu Aisyah, and I'm your English teacher. Hello again. So today we are going to learn should or shouldn't. So we use should or shouldn't to give advice or make recommendation. The sentence structure for should or shouldn't is subject plus should or shouldn't plus verb, which is in the basic form, and plus object. For example, if you want to give advice, the sentence is, you should go to the doctor if you feel ill. You should go to the doctor if you feel ill. The verb go is in its basic form, which means there is no added letters after O. No S, no ES, or no ED, or no ING. Next example, you shouldn't spend so long on the computer. You shouldn't spend so long on the computer. Another example, you should eat 5 portions of fruits and vegetables every day. You should eat 5 portions of fruit and vegetables every day. We can also use should to ask for advice. Example, should I get a new phone? Should I get a new phone? Should we order a pizza? Should we order a pizza? Let's answer a short quiz. Complete the sentences with should or shouldn't. 1. You blank give your personal information to people you don't know. Yes, the answer is shouldn't. You shouldn't give your personal information to people you don't know. Number 2. You blank write polite comments on other people's profiles. Yes, should. The answer is should. You should write polite comments on other people's profiles. Number 3. You blank believe everything people write about themselves. The answer is shouldn't. You shouldn't believe everything people write about themselves. Well, that's it for today. I hope after watching this video, you can use should or shouldn't whenever you want to ask advice or make recommendations to someone. Comment so that I know you are here. If you like this video, don't forget to click my like video, subscribe, and share to your friends. Don't forget to leave your comments so I know that you are here with me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.